Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J. Empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a Fpdc Cluster padded stitch. So these Fpdcs which are worked over the post of single crochet as cluster stitches makes the padded effect, gives the padded effect, and it is a reversible pattern and a very simple 2-row repeat pattern. And this particular piece I worked with my Hobby Store Aran Premium Acrylic Yarn, dried rose color, which is a 5-ply yarn and it's an anti-pill yarn too. And I used my 6mm and 5mm clover crochet hook, 6mm to make the chains, first foundation chains, and then 5mm to work the entire pattern. So let's go into the video without any delay. Chain multiples of 4 plus 1. I shall complete the required number of stitches, chains, and get back. After chaining the required number of stitches, that is multiples of 4 plus 1, so I have done 32 plus 1, 33. We are going to make the foundation row. Foundation row is a double crochet row. So one double crochet in the fourth chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3 and fourth. Work in the back bump. 1, 2, 3 and fourth here. And 1 DC in each chain all across. So continue till the end. I shall complete and get back. So as I told you, we have completed the foundation row. Now for row 1, you may chain 3 and turn. Chain 3 is considered as a DC, otherwise turn. Pull up the loop to the height of a double crochet and place a double crochet in the very first stitch. And 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Skip the next DC and place 1 single crochet in the following one. Skip the next DC and place 3 double crochets in the following one. Skip the next 1 single crochet. Skip the next 3 doubles, all in the same stitch. Continue till the end. We've reached the end of row 1 here, so we are left with 2 stitches and the first turning chain. So skip this next stitch, place a double crochet on top of the next DC and 1 double crochet on top of the turning chain. So you may chain 3 and turn for the next row, row 2, or you can make a standing twisted double crochet as the very first stitch. 1 double crochet in the next. And around the post of the single crochet, we are going to make 3 front post double crochets. So yarn over the hook, 1, 2 and 3. Skip the next double crochet and place a single crochet in the next. Again, skip the next double, place 3 Fpdcs around the post of the single crochet. Skip the next single crochet in the middle DC of the 3 DC group. Again skip the next DC and go in for the 3 Fpdcs around the post of the single crochet. So this is the stitch repeat for this row. Complete the stitch repeat till the end of the row. I shall meet you at the end of the row. At the end of row 2, place 1 double crochet in the last but one and 1 double crochet on the turning chain or on top of the turning chain or on top of the double crochet. Whichever stitch you have made, we have to work a double crochet on top of it. So I shall be back with row 3. For row 3, you may either chain 3 and turn, or like me, you can turn, pull up the loop to the height of a double crochet, twist, hold, insert the hook, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop and behind the twisted loop, yarn over, pull through, 2. 1 DC in the next. Now skip the next double crochet and place a single crochet in the next. Skip the next DC and work 3 Fpdcs around the post of the single crochet. Again skip 1 single crochet in the next. This is the stitch repeat. So over the post of single crochets we make 3 front post double crochets, and in the corners, both the ends, sorry, not the corner, in both the ends we have 2 doubles. So if we have to maintain the stitch repeat. So let us complete row 3 and get back. So now skip the next and make 3 doubles, front post doubles over the post of the single crochet. Again skip the next stitch, next DC, and in the middle DC make a single crochet. This is the pattern, sorry, stitch repeat for this particular row. Complete the stitch pattern for the row. I shall also complete and get back. We come to the end of the row here. I have placed my last single crochet. Now place 1 double crochet each on each of the last 2 stitches. So this is how it looks at the end of row 3. The pattern repeat is the repeat of instructions for rows 2 and 3 to the desired length. So I shall make a few more repeats of the pattern and get back to you. I have made few more repeats, and this is how it is developed. So this is a Fpdc Cluster padded pattern. It gives a padded effect, and it is reversible, and it's a nice thick fabric. And when you work this pattern with cotton yarns, you can use them as hot pads too. So thank you friends for viewing this video. Hope you like this pattern. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, do subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos too. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Thank you friends once again. Bye for now. Have a great day.